Software piracy. Over the past few decades, the world has seen rapid growth and great achievements in the field of information technology. This has resulted in the expansion and rapid progression of the software companies. As the software companies have expanded in huge numbers, so has the criminal activity of software piracy. Software piracy is a crime commonly defined as illegal copying, downloading, sharing, selling or installing of copyrighted software. Piracy includes casual copying of particular software by an individual or business. With the advancement of technological tools, software piracy has increased worldwide. Types of software piracy. Soft lifting. It is the act of illegal copying of software and distributing it to friends, organizations, or duplication and resale in violation of the terms of the license agreement. Many personal users and enterprises are doing it knowingly or unknowingly, and only few of them care about it. Uploading and downloading. It means making unauthorized copies of copyrighted software available to end users connected by modem to online service providers or the internet. Software counterfeiting. It is illegal duplication and sale of copyrighted software in such a way that it appears to be authentic. Counterfeit software includes accompanying manuals that the original legitimate software was sold and is usually sold at prices well below that of the retail price of the legitimate software. OEM, Original Equipment Manufacturer. Piracy or unbundling. Some software, like OEM software, is only legally sold with hardware. OEM unbundling is when this software is copied and sold separately from the hardware. Hard disk loading. It occurs when an individual or company installs unauthorized copies of software onto the hard disks of personal computers, often as an incentive for the end user to buy the hardware from that particular vendor. Renting. It involves someone renting out a copy of licensed software for temporary purposes. In such type of piracy, software is rented to individual computers and the original software is returned to the renter. Reasons for software piracy. Lack of public awareness. Lack of awareness and proper use of software is considered to be the key point influencing software piracy. Software price. The high price of software is another factor causing software piracy. Pirated software on Internet. The availability of pirated software on the Internet is one of the major factors increasing the software piracy rate globally. Law enforcement. If copyrights laws are not followed strictly, it gives encouragement to software piracy.